Hi everyone, today we're going to be making Magic Lemon Cobbler. So to make the Magic Lemon Cobbler, what do we need? We need 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, 1 cup of sugar, and a 21-ounce can of lemon pie filling. So let's begin. So the first thing that we need to do is preheat our oven to 350. Okay, so the oven is preheated. We have a 9x9 pan, and we want to go ahead and stick our stick of butter in the pan and put it in a 350-degree oven for 3 to 4 minutes until the butter is fully melted. Okay, so I took out the melted butter. It actually, to get it fully melted, took me about 6 minutes. Most of it was melted at 4, but I just had a little bit to melt. So we want to go ahead and set this aside and get a bowl and dump in the flour, 1 cup of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then whisk that all together. Then we want to add our 1 cup of sugar and whisk that in until thoroughly combined. And then we want to go ahead and pour in our 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, and then whisk that until it's thoroughly combined. And I just want to thank all of my viewers and subscribers. Just 2 days ago, I hit the 300 subscriber mark. I couldn't have done it without you guys. I really appreciate it. And I hope that you will stay with me and see other delicious recipes that I have to offer. I'm going to pour the batter evenly over the butter, and you do not want to mix. And I'm making a mess on the sides. I'm going to just wipe up a little bit of that mess because otherwise it's going to burn on my pan. Then you want to go ahead and spoon your lemon pie filling over the batter. It's a lot of pie filling for a small pan. I love lemon pie filling. I could just eat it out of the can. But I don't. Okay, then we want to go ahead and put this in a 350-degree oven for 45 to 55 minutes until the cobbler edges are golden brown. All right, so it has been cooking for 48 minutes. I just took it out of the oven. It has a nice golden brown on the top. So we're going to go ahead and let it cool for a few minutes, and then we'll dish it up and do a taste test. Okay, so here is the Magic Lemon Cobbler, and we topped it off with whipped cream. And I'll go ahead and get my husband to do a taste test.
What is this?
Magic Lemon Cobbler.
Okay. That tastes good. That's very good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.